Oh, sorry, coughing. In the spring, so many people are coughing. Kids, grown-ups, it's so popular. When you coughing, how do you treat it? In this video, I will introduce you a herb syrup you can use every day to help relieve the coughing. I'm gonna demonstrate you how to make it. It's super easy and it's very effective. The herb thyme is known contains thymol, that is a major phytochemicals within the thyme, especially in its hydrosol and essential oil. Thymol has a very good benefits in antimicrobial, antibacterial, and this makes the thyme good for our respiratory system. You can use its thyme essential oil as a diffuser or drink thyme hydrosol after dilution. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you an easy way to make a thyme syrup. It's made from a decoction of thyme with sugar. You know, sugar can help relieve our respiratory system, and sugar also keep the liquid safe as a preservative. And the decoction contains the nutrients extracted from the thyme and brings the health benefits. All you need is a thyme leaf. I'm using the dry leaf. You can use a fresh leaf. If you use a fresh leaf, please double the amount of what I'm using today, because the fresh leaf contains moisture. And then you need a sugar, a pot, and a heat source. Hot plate is better, but you can use the fire stove. The challenge with using a fire stove is you want to have a simmering, so you have to have a very low the setting so we don't overcook the decoction and the syrup. Okay, so let's start to make it. The first step, we make a decoction of the thyme. I'm using the LeTime press, this sieve cup, so the leaf will stay inside, and then pour the water in and start boiling and simmering. I use the dry leaf. This is a dry thyme leaf with the stems, so all the aerial parts can be used. It's a half cup. Just pour in the LeTime press sieve cup, and then 2 cups of the filtered water. Now turn on the heat and let it boil, and then turn back to the low heat and keep simmering. So after it's boiling, turn the heat down to the low level, the lowest. I use 1 to 5 and turn from 5 to 1. If you're using the gas stove, you probably want to move to the smallest fire. Keep simmering for 30 minutes. So I take a 300 milliliter the decoction, the thyme decoction. I'm gonna measure 300 gram of sugar. So first pour back the decoction into the pot. This is a 300 gram sugar. As I said, the ratio is 1:1. 300 milliliter with 300 gram of sugar. Now I turn off the heat and close with a lid and let it cool down before bottle it. I tried it. Its syrup is very tasty. I like it. The dosage, because it's a thyme or herb syrup, generally it has way less side effects compared with chemical medicines. But there are a low chance people can have allergy or irritation from the herb. So you always want to try it, test it before you take it regularly. General rule is 1 teaspoon a time and 3 times a day. And you can use this mixed with water or tea, hot drink or cold drink, or drop on your salad to give you extra taste. Do whatever the way you like, because this is like a food, so we can eat it or drink it. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. And this is Dr. Leo at LeTime. See you next time.